Hey guys, this is your logical artist Beenaa. Welcome to my new painting video. In this video, I'm going to make a background for my new abstract art. Enjoy! For painting my background, I have taken Fevicril acrylic colors. The colors are Prussian blue, cobalt teal, sky blue and white. Apart from it, I'm going to add golden powder of Fevicril to get that extra gloss in my painting. Now just allow the paint to spread just like you do in pour paintings. You can see that the colors have spread really well. The blues are looking very beautiful. I will switch on and switch off the light to show you how glossy it looks when light falls on it. I am loving the mixture of colors. The textures are very beautiful. Now I will let it dry for at least 24 hours and then we will start our new painting on it. Guys, my painting has dried. Now I'm going to paint my personal favorite trees on it, that is pine trees. I really love painting pine trees. For this I have taken two colors, one is black and the other one is cadmium red hue. So just enjoy my video. This is my world and I like to paint red trees. If you like to paint yellow trees, go ahead and do that. If you like to paint purple trees, go ahead and do that. These paintings are your own world and you can do whatever you want. I'm going to highlight my pine trees with metallic golden color. It is going to give an extra gloss to my pine trees. My painting, it is really looking very pretty. I'm loving it. Hope you all like it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.